right, Frizzletop, give me a hand with this thing.
Oh, I hope this works.
You got any last words? Comments to make, Featherbrain?
Yeah. How do I get out of this?
Never mind. Let's get this thing off the ground. Stand by for takeoff. Contact.
Contact.
Oh!
Pump, you knucklehead. Well, back to the old bicycle shop.
Yeah.
Ready for blast off?
Do I have a choice?
Contact and cut her loose. It's obvious to me we need a pilot.
And a new bicycle.
Careful with that gas, lunkhead.
You know, if this thing works, we can call it a blimsicle.
And if it doesn't work, you get a bopsicle. Okay, you jughead, start pumping. There he goes.
We'll be famous.
We'll build 1,000,000 of them.
Yeah, this is progress. Nothing can stop us.
We might get some competition from the railroads.
I don't get the connection.
Hurley just did.
Oh, well, you can't win them all.
We can't win none of them.
Back to the old bicycle shop. You think we're up high enough?
Knock it off, will you? That kind of talk will give aviation a bad name.
I'm ready.
Okay, I got the pilot's checklist right here. Feet on pedals.
Ouch!
Safety belt fastened.
Ouch!
Seat adjusted for takeoff.
Ooh!
Wait a minute, lame brain. You're supposed to say check. Why do you keep saying ouch?
Somebody left the tack on the bicycle seat.
Stand by for launch.
Good, I'm hungry.
I mean this, you bubble brain.
Here we go again. I know. Back to the old bicycle shop.
Read all about it. Extra!
How do you like that? We knock ourselves out to invent a machine that flies, and along come a couple of wise guys and grab all the glory. Come on, I got an idea.
There's a dangerous statement.
Well, there's that doggy hawk.
And there's those Wright brothers. They're taking off.
Strange. How can they fly without bicycle power?
Come on, you jugheads. Pump faster. Pump faster.
It's no use. They're too fast for us.
Oh, yeah? Get out your secret power, Curly.
Aye, aye, sir.
What the heck was that contraption, Wilbur?
One of those newfangled jets, Orville.
No need to worry, Wilbur. They'll never catch on.